In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily insert a peso sign in Microsoft Word. This quick and simple method can make your documents look more professional and save you a lot of time, especially if you frequently deal with financial data or currencies involving the Philippine peso. So let's dive right in and see how this is done. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Word file. It can be a new document or one that you're currently working on. If you're not sure how to do this, just open Microsoft Word from your computer and either select a new blank document or find a recent file that you want to work in. Once your document is open, make sure your cursor is placed exactly where you want the peso sign to appear. This could be next to a number, in a table, or wherever is most relevant to your document. Now type the code 20B1 without the quotation marks. It's important to ensure your document is set to use a font that supports the peso symbol, such as Arial or Times New Roman, which are commonly used fonts that recognize special characters. After entering 20B1, you'll perform a quick keyboard shortcut. Press the Alt key, and while holding it down, press the X key. This combination transforms the code you typed into the peso sign. It's a neat trick that's not just applicable to this symbol, but can also be used for other special characters if you know their hexadecimal code. If done correctly, you should now see the peso symbol exactly where you positioned your cursor. This process can be repeated throughout your document as many times as you need. It's particularly useful for documents dealing with financial data, making them clearer and more professional with properly formatted currency symbols. Just like that, you're done. You now know how to insert a peso sign in your Word documents swiftly and efficiently. It's a simple yet powerful trick that enhances your document's readability and professionalism. This little piece of knowledge can indeed help streamline your workflow when working with currency and numbers. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to test this method a few more times to build up your confidence. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it'll make your future work with Microsoft Word even easier. If you enjoyed this tip or have any other shortcuts you'd like to learn about, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.